Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Combs and I'm from the Keller Williams Naples, Florida office. And I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the class I'm going to be teaching for Florida Education Services in your market center this year. First part of the day, we're going to be looking at list more and sell more using DISC. DISC is our personality assessment. And for those of you that haven't heard about it, it is a assessment of the different types of personalities that our customers might have, and of course ourselves. Have you ever wondered maybe you didn't quite connect with the person that you were working with as well as you could, and you wondered why that was? It was very likely to be because the DISC personality wasn't recognized and you didn't work correctly with them. So I'm here in this class to help you understand that more and how we can use it and implement it in our business to list more homes and sell more homes with our buyers and sellers. So that's the first part of the day. Second part of the day, we're going to shift gear a little bit and we're going to do time management with the 411. So to get to our goals, we really need to manage our time better. We need to use our 80-20 rule and really figure out how to get the most out of the time that we have to get the most success. So join me for these two great classes. I'm excited to meet you in your market center and to meet everybody. I highly recommend that you come. I would love to see you guys. Please sign up.